Hello guys, today we will examine with you the code I have prepared in Java. First of all, this part of the code defines a point to the class, which represents a point in a 2D space. And here we create a point to the class with two private variables x and y, and these represent the coordinates of the point. This is a constructor. When we create a new point to the object, we give it x and y values, and this constructor assigns them to the class variables. And continue. These are getter methods. They allow us to retrieve the x and y values of a point, and this method calculates the distance between this point and another point with coordinates x and y, and we use distance formula. This is an overloaded version of the distance method. Instead of taking two numbers, it takes another point to the object. Continue. Point to the. This method finds the midpoint between this point and another point. We return a new point to the object with the calculated midpoint coordinates. Here we create 2 points, P1 at 3, 4.2, P2, 6 and 8. We print the distance between P1 and P2. We print the midpoint of P1 and P2. Exercise 2. Let's continue. This part demonstrates interface ends, how they can be implemented in different classes. Shape is an interface, and it defines two abstract methods. Calculate area. This method must return the area of the shape. Calculate perimeter. This method must return the perimeter of the shape. Let's continue. This circle class implements shape. It has private variable radius to store the circle's radius, and this is constructor. When we create a circle, we must provide a radius. This method calculates and returns the area of the circle. And last, this method calculates and returns the perimeter of the circle. Let's continue. The rectangle class implements shape. It has two private variables, width and height. This constructor sets width rectangle, sets the width and height of the rectangle. This method calculates and returns the area. This method again calculates and returns the perimeter. Let's continue. We create a circle radius with 5 and a rectangle with width 4 and height 6. We print the area and perimeter of the circle. We print the area and perimeter of the rectangle. Exercise 3. Let's continue. This part demonstrates inheritance, where car and motorcycle inherit from vehicle. We have created two different classes, motorcycle and vehicle. Class 1, the vehicle class has two attributes: make brand of the vehicle, and year manufacturing year. This constructor initializes make and year. Let's continue defining the car class. The car class inherits from vehicle. It has an extra attribute, doors, number of doors. Let's continue. We use super make year to call the parent class constructor. Let's continue. Class motorcycle. The motorcycle class inherits from vehicle and adds an engine type attribute. Again, super make year is used to call vehicles constructor. (2020) and 2018. Thanks for watching. See you guys.